Hey guys, welcome back to AV Creators. Today I'm going to show you another really easy game in Python, which is a dice simulator. We often roll dice to play games like Ludo, Snakes and Ladders, but what if your dice is lost and you don't have one? Well, you can make one in Python for yourself and have it on your computer or desktop for the whole time. So let's start. First, let's import random, which will help it randomize between the choices and choose one. Then let's import time. Well, this function gives the code a time, and based on which we can hold up the code for a certain number of seconds. So to start off, let's print saying welcome to dice simulator. Alright, close the brackets. Then here comes the importance of import time.sleep. This will hold up the program at the previous statement for the number of seconds enclosed in brackets. So here I'm just keeping 1 second. Okay. Then now let's get to the list. So a dice has 6 sides. So I'm keeping the name of the list as dice list. In square brackets, I am writing down the possible outcomes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And each of them will be enclosed in quotes, and you have to keep a comma to separate them. 3, okay, 4, 5 and 6. Don't forget to close the brackets or everything is just useless. Okay, so now again dice num. So the number we will obtain, I'm calling it dice num, you can call it anything. So random.choice. So this is for it to select between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for this choice we had to type import random at the start. And now let's type the list name. If you have a different name for the list, you have to type a different name there after random.choice in brackets. So now it will have selected what you want. Now let's have time.sleep once again, so that it creates a bit of suspense when the answer comes to you or your outcome comes to you. So now let's print the final statement, which will let you know which number you got. So I have written when a dice was rolled, you have obtained a. You can write anything. And here no quotes or else it will just print as is. So dice num, which will be the number selected. Okay. So this is the basic code for a dice simulator. Now let me run it and show you. So now I have run the code. And as you can see, first one we had welcome to dice simulator, and the program waited for a certain amount of seconds due to the time.sleep function, and here you got a 4. So guys, I have saved the code and I have run it 5 times over again. So we have, first time we got 3, then we got a 5, then we got a 4, again a 4 and a 5. So you can see the choice has when there are more amount of options, the choice comes out really well. There is no pattern or it's not biased to a single set of numbers. So there you have it. This is the simple dice simulator with really little lines of code. And thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to be ready for our next video. Thank you.